Hey guys, welcome back to Triple R Random Rick Reviews. We have a Make It Blocks fire truck here, 22 piece. So it can be this fire truck or this other kind of, I guess, rescue vehicle with the ladder on the back there. So I think we're going to try to make the fire truck on the front. $1.25 from Dollar Tree. All right. Our inventory, very small, of course. Make It Blocks are. I'll use a wheel there. All right. Okay. Okay, here's the Make It Blocks fire truck all finished. Very small, 22 pieces. The wheels do move, but not really on the ground very well. I like the fire truck. Turned out okay. Thanks for watching Triple R. Have a good day or night. Wherever you are, smash that like button, hit subscribe. Thanks.